How's it? Happy Monday, everyone. It is May 12th. I've got your forecast uploaded and ready to roll for the week. So let's get into it. Starting with today, Monday. We've got 5 feet at 7 seconds worth of wind swell in the water at the moment, guys. So there are some chunky wind peaks out there. Although conditions are not great. It's going to be pretty windy all day throughout the day on your Monday. So there is size, but conditions just not great for Monday. Tuesday, wind is going to be the story of the day as well. Winds are going to be pretty strong out of the south all day. Wind swell hanging out around 3.5 feet at 8 seconds. So there will be size. If the winds end up backing off and it being a little lighter than forecasted, then it could be super fun for Tuesday. Definitely will be swell here, though, for Tuesday. Getting into Wednesday, that wind swell is going to back down in size a little bit. So we're still at 2.5 feet at 7 seconds on Wednesday morning. Winds are also going to back off for Wednesday. So we may have some more favorable conditions, a little bit cleaner conditions on Wednesday. Thursday, definitely keep an eye out for, especially the morning. Swell should still be hanging out at that point, around 2.5 feet at 7 seconds, and then winds are going to be straight out of the west, especially in the morning. Winds will build and be onshore through the latter half of the day on Thursday, but again, that Thursday morning window looks really ideal as far as conditions and still having some swell in the water for now. So Thursday, keep a lookout and maybe plan a session for Thursday morning. Friday into the weekend, we're going to have less swell locally than we're going to have through the midweek. So we're down 2 feet at 7 seconds, which we've had some fun days messing around with the last few weeks at that swell size. Just going to be kind of windy for your Friday. Winds out of the south-southwest and building all day. Saturday, swell is down even a little bit further, so we're underneath that 2 feet of swell, but a little bit longer period at 8 to 9 seconds. And then winds out of the southwest. So cross shore and then building all day through your Saturday. Finally, getting into Sunday. Conditions should be super clean on Sunday morning again. So very light offshore winds with still around that 2 feet at 8 seconds of swell in the water locally. Hopefully everybody got some fun waves this past week. We've had some really fun days. And then hopefully you can get out the next few days too, because it's going to be swell in the water, and we've got some windows of opportunity for some clean conditions. Everybody have a wonderful week. You.